Hey there, want to switch off the voice of your character AI bot? It's super easy and we will walk through it together. First thing first, let's go to Character AI app and make sure that you have already logged into your account. This makes the whole process easier and faster. And once you have logged in, you will be directed to the chat section, and this is how the chat section look like. Now find the character whose voice you want to change. For example, I want to change the voice of Chase. Tap on it and this will open you the chat section. Now on the top right corner you can see sound like icon which now is crossed out. That means the voice is off over here. So in order to change the voice, simply tap on it and long press it, and that will take you to the list of options where you can select the voice for your character. Now go ahead and give a few a listen. Let's choose the voices.
Good day. Here to make life a little less complicated.
Hey there, sunshine. Ready to brighten your day with a
Howdy partner, here to lasso your to-dos.
So I think I like the first one. If you have found, just click on it.
Hated.
Then tap on select voice, which is over here. Tap on it. And that's it. Now your character will be using that voice in your chat. Let's check it out.
Hello.
That was it. Have fun experimenting with a different voice and make your characters even more unique. And if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.